I'm normally filming and editing cruise port videos or cruise ship tours, but when I'm back in the office here at U Cruise Doris Visits, things break and we have to fix them. So we're back with one of my Gtech mending videos because the handles come off. Look, and although you can buy one of these for quite a few quid on the old internet, I'm going to save you time and money if your handle comes off, and it does. In fact, on the internet they sell this piece, so they know there's a problem. What is the problem? Well, it breaks, and when it does, the handle comes off. So how does it work and how can we fix it? Well, there's a piece that goes on the end here that breaks off. It's a little plastic piece. And where is it? We need that piece. Well, here's the thing that you normally press to get this off, and there it is, still stuck up there. And as you can see, this would normally stick on there. So we've got to buy a whole new piece for that? I don't think so. No, we can fix this because this is a bolt that you get free when you're actually going to put a TV up. It's a TV bolt, and I keep everything. And this TV bolt magically screws in here like that, and come and see the other end, almost as if it's made for it. It screws in there too. So what we're going to do is take this bolt and screw the top to the bottom. Now, here's the problem. We need something to hold this while we saw that top off. Now, for that you're going to need a little junior axle, and I'm lucky I've got a vise, so I could put it in the vise. But as you've probably not got a vise, what we're going to do is use this as our staging or stabilizing piece. So we'll screw that in, and we're going to saw off. Now I may need to glue that as well to make double sure. That's a pretty good fix, isn't it? Let's see. This goes on here. Okay, we're going to need to glue it as I expected because it does take a bit of a beating, this handle, which is why it broke. Even though I keep the top tight on this glue, it does tend to go a bit solid. Now let's hope it works. I'm going to get a good bit of glue around there. And we're going to screw that in. I'm right-handed. There you go. You should be able to see. Just need to keep it straight. It's a lot easier to screw it in when it still had the nut on the top. And be careful if you've cut this, it may have a sharp edge, and if you've got thin skin, then it would cut your skin, this sharp edge. I have thick skin, luckily. Having spent 50 years in the movie industry, you have to have thick skin. I'm now going to stick the top on so it never comes off. Now, where is that top? That's what we're looking for. Now I need to clear the glue out of that gap. The finished mended article. That's the finished mended article with the top back on there, nut threaded through, glue to make sure that this soft plastic doesn't give up and just pull the thread out. So we've tested it, we know it works. We'll let the glue dry and come back to it. As you can see, the glue's dried and the little lid is fixed on very firmly. I want to let it dry because I didn't want the handle sticking to this spike. And the final test, and this is when it broke, is literally picking it up and flopping it around. It actually broke when I was climbing this ladder. I must have just knocked it. But here's the test. So there you go, it's safely in the loft and it works on the normal push-pull motion, and I can use it for the job I planned to use it before it broke, which is laying this new carpet on the boarded, new insulated loft that I'm putting together as a adult kids room.
There's two ships in Split today, the MSC Symphonia and the P&O Azura. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Guess where we are? We're in Split. And if you want to pick up the free walking tour, it's up here. So we found the free Spirit walking tour. Free. You just give a tip at the end. So this massive statue behind me is Gregory of Nîmes, and you're supposed to rub his toe for luck.